morning, students. General Science, Class 8, Chapter 1, Living World and Classification of Microbes. The criteria used for classification by Robert Whittaker. Robert Harding Whittaker, an American ecologist, classified all the living organisms into 5 groups in 1969, and hence his method of classification is called as 5 kingdom system of classification of living organism. Friends, Robert Whittaker used 5 criteria for classification of the living organisms. First, he used complexity of cell structure. During classification, he observed whether the living organism is prokaryotic or eukaryotic. On this basis, he classified the living organism into 2 groups, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Second criteria used by Robert Whittaker for classification is complexity of organism. Complexity of organism. During classification, he find that he see that whether the organism is unicellular or multicellular. On that basis, he classify these living organisms into unicellular and multicellular. Prokaryotic are unicellular and eukaryotic are unicellular and multicellular. On that basis, all the prokaryotic and unicellular are included in kingdom Monera, and all the unicellular but eukaryotic included in Protista kingdom. Third criteria used for classification is mode of nutrition. Mode of nutrition. During classification, he observed that either the organisms is autotrophic or heterotrophic or saprotrophic. Plants are autotrophic, animals are heterotrophic, and fungus are saprophytic. Then fourth criteria used for classification is lifestyle. During classification, he observed that either the living organism is producer or consumer or decomposer, and hence there is fungus is decomposer, plants are producer, and animals are consumers. Then fifth criteria used for classification is phylogenetic relationship. Phylogenetic relationship. During classification, he observed that the relationship from unicellular to multicellular, from eukaryote to prokaryotes, prokaryotes to eukaryotes, and hence Robert Whittaker classify all the living organisms into 5 kingdoms. Finally, he classify all the living organisms into 5 groups, 5 kingdoms, which are Monera, number 2, Protista, number 3, fungus, number 4, plants, and number 5, animals. Number 5, animals. Thank you very much.